Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you're watching my channel Tech. So friends, in this video we're gonna fix this problem. Once you come across an error like this, please check your network connection in Windows. You can fix this problem by following few steps itself on the Windows once if your connection fails. So what you have to do is that you have to go on the startup menu. On the startup menu you have to click on the control panel. Now you have to select networks and internet. In this, from the three options you have to click internet options. Now on all the tabs you just need to click on the connections. Now you have to select on the last tabs over here, local area network settings. You have to click on this LAN settings. Now you have to check this box in the proxy server. Use a proxy server for your LAN. You have to click on this, then afterward you just need to click on OK, and again you have to click on this box also OK. That's it. This was the first method. You have to fix this problem by this method first. Now you have to restart your PC and see whether your problem has been fixed or not. Don't worry, if your problem doesn't fix by this method, you can move on to the next method, which was like this. You have to open the command prompt of your Windows by clicking the command prompt, as you have to run it as an administrator. So just right click on the command prompt and just click on run as an administrator. Then you have to give access by clicking on yes. Now you have to type a command over here, which is net sh space int space ip space reset, then space c colon / reset log dot txt, then simply press enter. Now you can see resetting global OK, resetting interference OK, restart the computer to complete this action. Now you need to restart your PC. Before that you have to type another command, which was like that: net sh space win sock space reset, then press enter. Successfully reset the win catalog, you can see over here. Then afterward you have to type ip config, then again / you have to type it out / then flush flush dns, then press enter. Now the flash has successfully taken place. Afterward you have to just need to type exit, then press enter. This was it. Now you need to restart your PC and see. This method will definitely fix your problem. So this video help you out, then give a like button to this video and even subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. And if you have any problem regarding this issue, you can leave your comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 10 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram. And don't forget to subscribe my channel friends. Please do it. Just do it.